Talk to us!
Sensors just shot up 70,000 feet.
The next ride velocity is 200 miles per hour.
That's impossible.
And this is an EF5.
Guys, whatever's in there is big. It's big and it's moving fast. Drive, gotta get the hell out of there.
Go!
How did it become an EF5? It's getting closer!
Oh, look out!
Everybody okay? Can't stay here. There!
Overpasses are the worst in tornadoes! What do we do?
This car's gonna fly! Come on!
Yes, Addy, for me. Hey, guys, we gotta get